In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on Fiverr, or basically how to hire someone or purchase a gig from the platform. So, let's get into it. The first thing you'll do is go to Fiverr.com. Before I explain how to purchase gigs, I'll guide you through how to navigate the platform and what gigs actually are. Gigs are essentially offerings by individuals who provide services or products, usually services. If you go to Fiverr.com and scroll down, you'll notice there are many types of services available, covering a wide range of niches and markets. At the top of the page, there is a search bar that allows you to look for a specific service. You can explore categories too. For instance, if you want someone to design a logo, you can click on the logo design category. You'll also see filter options. But before getting into the filters, it's important to understand that the listings you see, called gigs, are what individuals are offering in terms of services, along with their starting prices. You can narrow down the type of service you want. If you have a particular logo style in mind, you can use these filters. You can specify the logo style, the file format you need, and any additional services like a printable file, a media kit, or a 3D mockup. There are also seller filters. You can filter by seller level, like new seller, level 1, level 2, or top rated. You can choose based on the seller's language or location as well. You can also filter by budget by setting a minimum or maximum price range. Let's say you want to keep it under a certain amount. Just enter the amount and apply the filter. Delivery time is another option. You can choose how quickly you want the service delivered, whether you want it urgently or within a few days. Once these filters are applied, your search results update to match the criteria you've set. On the right-hand side, there are additional options like professional services, which include verified sellers who meet Fiverr's quality standards. You can then browse through the listed sellers and pick someone whose work you like. Suppose you see a logo style you really like. Click on that listing. You'll see the details of their basic package. It may include one concept, logo transparency, and a printable file. It may not include things like a source file, 3D mockup, so make sure to read everything carefully before you decide to buy. If you want more features, you can check the standard or premium packages, which offer more comprehensive services. The standard might include everything except the 3D mockup, while the premium usually includes all features, such as unlimited revisions and priority support. Let's say you want to go for the standard version. If all the details seem right, you can continue. If you still have questions about the gig or the seller services, you can contact the seller. To do that, you'll need to create a Fiverr account. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, Apple ID, or just an email address. If you already have an account, just sign in. Once logged in, click on Contact Seller to ask your questions. You can see the seller's average response time and whether they are currently online. When you're ready to make the purchase, after confirming all the details and resolving any questions, click Continue. You'll see optional extras you can add to your order, such as an additional logo or stationery designs. These extras may increase the delivery time or cost a bit more. For example, adding a stationery designs may cost more and add a day to delivery. You can also choose to tip the seller. Depending on what extras you need, you can add those before proceeding. Next, click Continue to Checkout. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use PayPal or enter your credit or debit card details. If you select PayPal, just follow the prompts to log in and complete the payment. And that's it. You've booked a gig. This applies to any kind of service offered on Fiverr, no matter the profession or category. You can find almost any service you need, and that's how you place an order on Fiverr. Thank you for watching.